There's two different types of Cricut transfer tape. So the purple one is the strong grip transfer tape and the gray one is the normal transfer tape. And as a beginner, I had no idea that there were two different types. So I tried a project and I just couldn't for the life of me remove the design to transfer it onto my blank. And that was because I was using the normal transfer tape to try and remove a design I had made using glitter vinyl, permanent vinyl. So always remember to use the correct transfer tape for your project or for the type of vinyl that you're actually using. And the other thing with transfer tape is reusable. So you can keep using it until it loses its tackiness or its stickiness. So you can use it again and again.